Welcome to Auto Buzz, your ultimate destination for high-octane automotive reviews and the latest updates from the world of luxury supercars. Today we are diving into a masterpiece of Italian engineering that has been pushed to the absolute limit. The 2026 Ferrari Purosangue Esteso by Novitec is not just another luxury SUV but a bold statement of power and presence that redefines what a four-door Ferrari can be. While the standard Purosangue already stands out as a thoroughbred with its screaming V12 engine, the Esteso treatment transforms it into a widebody beast that demands attention on every road. At the heart of this machine lies the legendary 6.5-liter naturally aspirated V12 engine. In its factory form, this powerhouse produces 715 horsepower, but Novitec has worked its magic to elevate those figures even further. Through a high-performance exhaust system made from stainless steel or Formula 1 grade Inconel, the Esteso pushes the output to a staggering 755 horsepower and 716 Nm of torque. This allows the super SUV to sprint from 0 to 100 km per hour in just 3.2 seconds with a top speed that comfortably exceeds 310 km per hour. The sound produced by the new exhaust system is nothing short of symphonic, offering an aggressive growl that perfectly matches the car's menacing new look. The most striking feature of the 2026 Esteso is its widebody architecture. Novitec has added custom fender flares that increase the vehicle's width by about 6 cm, making the total width a massive 2.09 meters. These components are available in high-quality carbon fiber or paintable plastic, ensuring a seamless fit with the original Italian lines. To fill out these massive wheel arches, Novitec collaborated with Vossen to create tailor-made forged wheels. These wheels feature a staggered setup with 22-inch rims at the front and 23-inch rims at the rear, emphasizing the wedge-shaped profile of the SUV. The stance is further improved by sport springs that lower the ride height by about 25 mm, giving the Purosangue a much lower center of gravity and sharper handling dynamics. Aerodynamics play a crucial role in the Esteso design. Every modification serves a functional purpose, from the front spoiler lip that reduces front axle lift to the integrated rear diffuser and roof-mounted spoiler that manage airflow at high speeds. Even the engine hood receives a carbon fiber makeover with new air intakes that help cool the massive V12 engine. Inside the cabin, the luxury remains unparalleled, with Novitec offering bespoke leather and Alcantara upholstery in virtually any color imaginable. The rear hinged coach doors continue to provide elegant access to a four-seat interior that feels more like a private jet than a traditional SUV. This 2026 iteration represents the pinnacle of performance and exclusivity for those who find the standard Ferrari Purosangue a bit too subtle. With its widened track, increased power and aggressive aerodynamic kit, the Esteso is truly in a league of its own. It successfully blends the versatility of an all-wheel drive vehicle with the raw soul of a Ferrari supercar. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the 2026 Ferrari Purosangue Esteso, make sure to support the channel. Please subscribe to Auto Buzz and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update on the world's most incredible vehicles. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next video. Would you like me to adjust the length of this script to exactly hit a specific time mark?